Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you 3 lessons for the bear market. In the bear market, it's all about surviving with enough capital to buy at huge discounts. We're likely to see some altcoins down well over 95%, and those who accumulate in these price ranges will become the next whales of the bull market. So let's get straight into lesson 1, don't be a bull in a bear market. Even now that we're in an obvious bear market, I still see guys trying to call the bottom, trying to buy the dip, and generally looking to get long. There's no other way to say it, guys. Being a bull in a bear market is stupid. The trend on the higher timeframes is down, the impulsive moves are down, and monetary policy is bad for investing. Now, we all want to see Bitcoin pump to the moon, and it's in our nature to have a bias towards what we want. But the markets don't care what we want, so it pays to have a bias in the direction of the trend. To put it plainly, you're going to be right a lot more if you're a bear in the bear market. So bear market rallies are to be sold as they are counter trend corrections, and we expect counter trends to reverse back to the larger trend, which is down. Lesson 2, understand what makes the market move. As macro Bitcoin bulls, we all believe that Bitcoin is the future, but we're not there yet. Until Bitcoin achieves mass adoption, it's still very much at the whims of the big players that push these markets around. Inflation is the key driver, and believe it or not, the elites in Washington, among other places, have a lot more control over inflation than you might think. They've allowed inflation to run rampant because it's been great for their portfolios and the United States debt problem. But now there's November midterm elections to think about, and inflation is the big political issue. The Democrats need to look tough on inflation, and so the levers that control it are finally being put to use. Interest rates are going up, and the Fed is offloading its balance sheet. These factors remove money from the money supply, and that puts downwards pressure on the markets. So here's the key. Inflation moves markets, and politics moves inflation. If you want to know which direction the market will move right now, ask yourself this: do voters want inflation down or the stock market up? Get that right, and you know where we're likely headed. After November, it might be that things reverse course and they get back to pumping their portfolios, but that remains to be seen, and I'll be sure to cover that in a future video. Lesson 3 is dollar cost averaging. So you've managed to get enough of your capital into stablecoins and you're ready to buy the bottom, but no one knows exactly where the bottom is, and that's where dollar cost averaging comes in. Take what you can afford to put back into the market on a weekly or monthly basis, and you just start accumulating. This way, you'll get better and better prices as the market continues down. Dollar cost averaging is well proven to be the easiest strategy for successful investing. You don't worry about the ups and downs, you just buy consistently and you don't invest money that you can't afford to lose. And when the bull market resumes, I'll have some lessons on how to reap what you've sown in the bear market. So there you have 3 lessons for the bear market. I hope you got some value from the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with anyone who needs some bear market guidance. That's all from me. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.